Waterfalls. Waterfalls. The joy of life in a waterfall. Drops splash the face with grace. Like loved ones, keep your heart at race. The water that falls is the life you've rehearsed. So stay connected to those who quench your thirst.